Kambuze wano mama wange ndaba ayita ku oli otya.
Ye ndi mukwano.
Soko oyiteko wano yemerere wano. Atofa bikumenye ebyenyanja. Soko tundiri oli otya.
Ye ndi.
Omunyo gutambula salt ogifuna.
Oh, salt mulungi nnyo 24 hours. Yes. Ekiro ne musana byonna munye tambula.
Munye atambula.
Ne ku meza yange kamocha. Weziri.
Kati obera kamocha.
Mbera kamocha.
Obadoze kusubula ebyenyanja.
Ye.
Soko oyite bakasitoma bakola ku Salt TV we bagamba balagirire bwotuuke kamocha ogenda wa okujja okuwagira.
Okay, go to Kamocha.
Why use English?
Okay. If when you reach Kamocha, you get out from Kobil, then you go down, you slope down as you go to Chebando. There to Green Valley, you find a omukyala bayita Mama Pist. The table is Salt FM. Fe Munyo.
On 4th,
Yes.
we have Independence Night. Are you ready?
Yes, there. I'm there 24 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you briefly share with us some small testimony you've got from Independence Night, from prayers from Canaan land?
Okay, what I got from Independent Night, from Canaan line, I was having issue of land. So when I prayed and the pastor gave me the oil, anointed oil, and he anointed my paper, I prayed that God, I want my file to be found out because it was lost. So when he prayed and gave me that paper, I prayed 3 prayers. One, I want to get a land title and a markstone should come out. Secondly, I had a problem with my neighbor at our home in the village, Lacho. So I prayed for that one. And thirdly, then I said my file should come out. So when I went to the village, the first thing I went to court, they said, you come back tomorrow. Tomorrow they call you, we have got the file. Oh. Then I said, good, thank you. Oh, then I went home. I told this LC1, LC2 to collect the people and we finished the problem. They refused. Then I went to legal aid. Legal aid gave me 1 week. They went and solved the problem. The father of my land. That is the oil working. Then when I go to my land again for the markstone and the land title, it came out 2 weeks back. Oh my God. Amen. Then I said, this is salt.
Invite friends just to come and join us on next Friday.
Yes, I tell them we are coming. We are coming.
Okay.
We are coming.
As I let you go, just send greetings to like 3 people, 4.
I greet first Susan Makula, then Pastor Buzinga, then this Asa who love me, and plus you, because I always see you in TV. Yes, so if I'm there, you are very busy. I don't go near you. Today, my first time seeing you near and from
House of Prayer.
No, from where we went to Mbara. No. Hey. And the first time, 90.3. Fort photo. Yes.
I mean, yes. We were at Buhinga Stadium.
Yes.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Amen.
And we are eagerly waiting for you to come and your friends.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Amen.
Have a safe journey.